Why does Japan use ducks for rice farming? After all, why the duck has proved to be a fertilizer for Japan? After all, how Japan is saving its money by using ducks and earning crores of rupees. Let's know all this in today's video. The biggest advantage of the duck farming technique, friends, is that this technique only requires hands for the first time. Once the crop is harvested, farmers do not need any fertilizer when they plant rice again the following year. In this technique, dung manure is applied to the field before planting rice. Then rice is sown, after which small ducklings are brought. These babies are first placed inside the brooder. Here, for those who don't know about brooder, they are newborn chicks. Initially, these chicks need a warm environment. For this, they are kept under some big bulb for a certain time. During this time they are fed both grain and water, and then when the time of 1 week is completed, these chicks are then taken out of the brooder, but it is important to note that even then they are not allowed to enter the field. In fact, ducks should not be left in the field for about 20 to 25 days after the rice has grown, otherwise there is a risk of crop damage. According to farmers in Japan, ducks should be kept away from the rice until the roots are fully established in the soil. That is, after about 20 to 25 days, when the paddy roots take root in the soil and the chicks are 25 days old, then they should be released in the paddy fields. After being released in the field, these ducklings will eat the unwanted things in the fields such as snails and insects. Also, when these ducks are released in the fields, they bat from place to place. Their beaks spread around the fields act as a fertilizer. It also makes the soil fertile. Friends, in this way, these farmers in Japan do not have to use any fertilizer, pesticide or herbicide while growing rice. This also saves them money because one duckling is available in the market for around 50 rupees, and thus 100 ducklings cost 5,000 rupees. But if fertilizers are used in their place, the cost can be reduced by half. The thing to know here is that as the rice plant grows bigger, the ducklings will also get bigger, and after about 4 months of cultivation, both the rice and the ducklings will be ready. After which paddy is harvested. Now this paddy is brought to the factory, where their filling and packing work is done, and thus the organic rice reaches the people. If we talk about ducks, farmers keep about 10 of the male ducks and sell the remaining male ducks in the market for meat. After that, the female starts laying eggs and the farmers earn a lot of money by selling these eggs. Tell you that these eggs are bought by the owners of big factories, which are placed in the incubator unit to hatch the chicks from these eggs. Eggs are kept in this incubator unit for 21 days. After 21 days, chicks start hatching from these eggs. After which the workers sort and remove the sick chicks from these chicks, and then all these chicks are packed in trucks and brought to the main farm, where a room is prepared for them to live in. After about 2 months the chicks turn into ducks, after which they are filled in big bins and sent to the meat factory through transportation, where this machine rotates round and round to eliminate these ducks. Now it's time to pack the meat. With the help of the machine, the workers again fill the mat into packets. And then all these packets are collected in one place and sent to the market through box-wide transportation. That is, with the help of duck farming technique, farmers not only earn profit by selling rice, but also by selling duck eggs and meat. They make a good profit here.